one of the really awesome place to bring in more customers is BuySellAds.com. A lot of people, I'm surprised that a lot of people have not even heard of it. So it's pretty much like Google AdWords or Facebook ads, but instead you reach out directly to the actual person who actually owns the site. So for example, let's say let's say I own VentureBeat. Well, you guys have heard the VentureBeat. It's a big tech blog. Now, one way to advertise on VentureBeat is using Google Ads. That's option number one. Option number two is contacting them, and then you have to pay a lot. You have to commit for a bigger chunk of advertising budget. Now, through BuySellAds, what you can do is you can place your ads on so many awesome sites, and you don't have to have a huge budget. You can start with like $50 and $25. That's all you need. Now, the best part about BuySellAds is that we got these bigger companies, right? But keep in mind there are smaller guys, smaller blogs that are willing to put your ad on their blog for like a month for like $10, and they're getting like thousands of views. I'm like, wow, that's like so cheap. Now, why do people do that? Now, number one, they do that because that's a guaranteed income. Number two, they do that because a lot of people, they might not be approved for Google Google AdSense. That's number two. Or number three, they might not be eligible to be listed on other ad networks. So they do it through BuySellAds, and that brings the ad vendor with the publisher like a handshake, like a deal like that. Now, of course, BuySellAds does take a take, but it's not from your cut. They take a cut from the publisher, okay? It's a smaller cut for creating this marketplace. But BuySellAds, it's been pretty much a blessing to my marketing plans and bringing in more customers for me and my clients because, and I'm not saying it because, like I have any ties. I don't, because it's really has done so much for me. And so for example, let's say we have a product coming up, right? And then what we do is we find people here, and I can advertise on like smaller blogs which I haven't even heard of, but they got views to prove it, and it's validated by BuySellAds, so it's not fake views. So these are real views, and you can actually monetize it by placing ads on their websites. That's pretty cool, I think. What do you think? So yeah, so BuySellAds, use it on your marketing plan to generate you more leads. I'm telling you. So just go here, get a free account, right? Just browse, right? Of course, you can get your ads listed on big websites. That's fine. But what I like about this is listing it on the smaller blogs, and you can start with like $5. Okay, you got $5. You can start and see how you feel. Okay, and I love to do free lead magnet because, for example, let's say somebody has a site on deals for like softwares, right? I sell softwares. So what I do is I offer a free lead magnet, meaning I show an ad offering a free software, and I get free leads. That's amazing. Now, can you do sales promotions with these ads? You can, but keep in mind that they don't usually convert that well. They usually don't. So what you need to do is have a lead magnet that brings them to your landing page where you are offering them something for free, and then get them in an email list, cookie them in, and get their phone numbers and things like that, and then go ahead and start your journey to selling them. Make sense? So that's it right now for this video. Guys, keep in mind, if you want lead generation, sales, you gotta subscribe to this channel, because I'm telling you, I give you the best tips and tricks in the industry. I've been in the industry for so many, 8-9 years, okay, 8-9 years, and I'm still young, so I'm gonna show you guys how to beat it, okay? So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much.